Welcome to Guerrilla Investments, where smart money makes smart moves. I am your host, the legendary Al Sifa, where truth, knowledge, and a little bit of education will be dispersed. Now, today's video, we're going to jump right in it. Now, I sold all of my Songbird. I set a sell order, and that order got filled. Now, keep in mind that doing any type of trading in an election cycle, especially this close to an election, is never a good idea. It is one hell of a risky move, because at any given time, either or candidate says something, it can positively affect the stock market negatively or positively. And Bitcoin is tied to the stock market. And unfortunately, all the altcoins is tied into Bitcoin. So it's never a good idea. But let me explain to you what I'm doing. Before I say that, keep in mind, I'm not a professional advisor. I do not suggest to anyone to copy or reenact what have I done, what I'm about to show you, okay? This is for educational purposes only, and to clarify that you should do your own research when it comes to your own investment, so that you can make an informative decisions about your investments. Okay? Now, let's get into it. Right now, I'm going to show you that order I have put 3 weeks ago. All right? You should be seeing it by now. 3 weeks ago, I put an order in, a sell order, for all of my Songbird. And the reason why I did that is so that I can have a lower DCA price. So I ran an algorithmic software that I created, and I also have my own opinion on certain prices. Okay? As you can see, this was a good call. Now, you're asking yourself, well, what the hell that's got to do with your DCA price? Now, if you've been paying attention, I've been telling you that the lower your DCA price is, the longer you stay in profits. And in most cases, you even gain more profits. Okay? What I did, because I set the sell order 3 weeks ago, and on the 20th, 2 days ago, my order got filled. That same day, I set a buy order. Let me show you this buy order. Now, when you saw that sell order, I had over 97,000 Songbird that I had. And if my order gets filled, as you can see the buy order, I'll have well over 114,000 Songbird, damn well near 115,000 Songbird. That is over, I believe, 17,000 Songbird that I'm going to get at zero price. And the price that I had set is 66 660 points. That's my buy-in, buy order price. Now, that is a hellified, a gang load of Songbird. Now, what makes it risky is, as I already explained to you, if I am hoping that this order will be filled before the election, okay? Because during the election, on the night of the election, I don't know what's going to happen. If Trump gets elected, most likely I'm not going to see that price, because everyone in the tech sector, tech stocks, and the crypto space are going to pump. And it's going to be a minute before I see that price, if I ever will see that price. I got to run another algorithm. That is a big risk I'm taking right now. Okay? Now, if Kamala Harris gets elected, oh yeah, most likely I will see that price. I will most likely will see that price, because the crypto space, don't know about the tech sector, but the crypto space is not really feeling Kamala Harris when it comes to crypto regulations. You see? So, I want y'all to pay attention, even at the end of this video, my sell order, my buy order, okay? And let's see what happens. All right? All right. Until the next time, my friends. Assalamu alaikum.